Muéstralo que mueve las patitas, po.
These are sea urchins in Chile, and this lady here is taking out all of the meat, and inside of the meat, inside of the shell, there are these guys here. They're little crabs that live in there. They're parasites.
And they're alive.
And they're alive. And this guy, without a problem, he loves this shit. With more lemon, the better. Look at this. More lemon. Oh, he loves it. Give him more, give him more, give him more. He'll eat it all.
$50,000, por favor, no.
No jodas. Oye, hermano, la cagó, weón.
That one's moving.
La cagué, weón. Mira, ¿ves que mueve las patitas?
Espera.
Ya.
Okay. Okay, definitely alive. Huh?
¿Quieres probar?
You want some, Tara?
No, gracias.
La cagó.